Question 10. A patient requires risperidone 80 milligrams. The stock dose is 50 milligrams in 5 mils. What volume is required? So this is the volume formula. So the volume equals, what is it? Yeah, it's the amount prescribed on top there, multiplied by the unit volume, all over, divided by the amount per unit volume, right? So the three figures there, the amount prescribed, that's it there, and the amount per unit volume underneath there in the formula, that's it there. They both have the same units, milligrams, so our units are okay. And the amount per unit volume, that's it there, 5 mils. So our volume V is going to be equal to 80 multiplied by the unit volume, 5, all over the amount per unit volume, 50, right? Multiplying 5 by 80, you should get 400. Is that right? Yeah, because 10 A's would be 800, so half of that, 5 A's is 400, and with 50 underneath. Now, we can divide above and below by 10, just like that. So now we have 40 divided by 5, and 5 into 40 equals 8. And its volume, so our answer is going to be 8 mils. And I think that makes sense, yeah, because if we give them 10 mils, they'll be getting 100 milligrams, so 8 mils seems about right.